Welcome to Label Resizer.
In this video, I'll show you how to resize and customize Walmart WFS product labels using the Label Resizer extension. To understand what a standard Walmart label looks like, let's first generate a sample for two products from our WFS inventory. Walmart doesn't give us many label size options, so for this sample, we'll go with A4. As you can see, the default label only shows a barcode, and the product title is shortened a lot. Let's say we want to customize the label a bit more. What are our options? We can change the label size, show the full product title instead of a short one, add the merchant SKU, include custom text, number the labels like 1 of 5, or add separators between different items. We can do all of this. First, let's go to Label Resizer and install the extension. Now, let's refresh the page so the extension can authenticate. Now, let's go to the Product Label Settings page to make all the necessary adjustments. First, let's pick the size of our label. You can choose from thermal, paper sticker, or up-thermal labels. Next, enable Print Complete Title so the full product name appears on the label. Then, enable Add SKU to include the merchant SKU on each label. Turn on numbering and set the format to number total pieces to clearly number each label. Enable Add Free Text to add custom text to the labels. You can also adjust the font size to make the text larger or smaller. Finally, enable Add Separator to keep things organized between different products. After configuring all settings, click Save. Now, let's go back to Walmart. Since the extension was just installed, refresh the page. From now on, Label Resizer print buttons will appear alongside Walmart's print buttons in all the relevant places where label printing is available. Now let's click the Label Resizer print button and see what happens. A pop-up window appears, allowing us to enter how many labels we want for each item. It also lets us set a custom text for each product individually. For example, let's type Made in USA into the header free text field and expiry date into the footer field. Keep in mind that if Remember My Free Text Entries is selected, these fields will be automatically filled in for the same products the next time you use the extension in the same browser, so you won't need to type them again. There's also a shortcut in the pop-up to copy the merchant SKUs into the free text fields. But since we've already enabled the Add SKU option, they'll be included on the label automatically, so I'm not using it. Now, let's click the Resize Labels button. As you can see, the product labels were generated in the size we selected, with all the features we enabled. The full product title appears on the label. The merchant SKU was added, labels are numbered, and separator labels were inserted to clearly divide different products. Everything looks exactly how we configured it. That's it. Generating Walmart product labels using the extension isn't the only way. You can also upload your Walmart labels directly to Label Resizer or use the Generate via Spreadsheet option. For even more customization, you can use the label editor to design your labels exactly how you want. Label Resizer. Smart labeling made simple.